A bone can fracture due to several reasons. Some common causes include accidents or trauma, which can be caused by falling, hitting a hard object, or a direct blow. Osteoporosis is a condition in which bones become weak and fragile, increasing the likelihood of fractures. Overuse injuries from repeated physical activity, such as running long distances or excessive use of certain muscles, can lead to stress fractures. As a person ages, bones naturally become weaker and more prone to fractures. Infections or tumors can also weaken bones and cause fractures. Fractures can occur in different ways, and some common types are closed fractures, where the bone breaks but does not penetrate the skin, open fractures, where the bone breaks and pierces the skin, increasing the risk of infection, green stick fractures, which are partial fractures commonly seen in children, where the bone bends and cracks but doesn't break completely, and comminuted fractures, where the bone is broken into multiple fragments, which can be challenging to treat. If a bone is fractured, the following symptoms are usually present. Severe pain, which is a sharp, intense pain at the site of the fracture, swelling and bruising, where the affected area may swell, become red, and bruise. Deformity, where if the bone is severely fractured, it may appear misaligned or out of shape. Inability to move, making it hard to move the affected limb or area, and abnormal position, where in cases of dislocation, the bone may be out of its normal position. The process of healing a bone fracture is complex and occurs in stages. In the inflammatory stage, which lasts 1 to 3 days, blood vessels are damaged and a blood clot forms around the fracture site to protect the injured area and stop bleeding. The body's immune system reacts to the injury, causing swelling, redness, and pain. In the repair stage, which lasts 1 to 6 weeks, a soft cartilage-like tissue called a callus forms around the fractured ends of the bone, connecting them, although the callus is still weak. Osteoblasts, or bone-forming cells, start producing new bone tissue, but it is still soft and fragile at this stage. In the remodeling stage, which lasts 6 weeks to 6 months, the soft callus is gradually replaced by stronger bone tissue, and the bone regains its strength. Over time, the bone reshapes and heals fully, regaining its normal structure and functionality. The treatment of a bone fracture depends on the type and severity of the break. The most common treatment options include plaster or splint for less severe fractures, which may be applied to immobilize the bone and allow it to heal. In cases of complex fractures, surgical treatment may be required to realign the bone, using metal plates, screws, or pins to stabilize the bone during healing. After the bone has healed, physical therapy is often necessary to restore movement and strengthen the muscles around the injured bone. To promote bone healing, rest is essential, as the injured bone needs proper rest to heal. A diet rich in calcium and vitamin D is also crucial for bone healing, as these nutrients help strengthen the bones. Pain relievers like ibuprofen or paracetamol can help manage pain, but they should be used under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Regular visits to the doctor are essential to monitor the progress of healing and to ensure that the bone is healing properly. The healing time for a fracture depends on its type, the location of the bone, and the individual's overall health. Generally, simple fractures may heal in about 6 to 8 weeks, while complex fractures may take 3 to 6 months or longer to heal completely. If the fracture is treated properly, the bone will return to its normal strength and function. However, if proper treatment is not followed, healing can be delayed or complications such as infection or malalignment of the bone may occur. The process of bone healing is highly effective in most cases, but patience and proper care are essential to ensure a full recovery. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot.